Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, in this video we'll talk about quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are four-sided closed figures. Some common type of quadrilaterals are parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus and trapezium. We're going to look at each one by one. Okay, now we're going to look at parallelogram here. Over here, ABCD is a parallelogram shown. So in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. What this means is AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, the opposite sides are also equal. It means AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Okay, in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. What this means is diagonal AC and diagonal BD are the two diagonals of a parallelogram here. So they bisect each other. So the point of intersection of these two diagonals is the midpoint for the diagonal. Okay. The other point for parallelogram is that the opposite interior angles are equal. Okay. What this means is angle DAB is equal to angle DCB. Okay. Because DAB is opposite to angle DCB. So these two angles are equal. Also angle CDA is equal to angle CBA because these are also opposite interior angles. Okay. Area of parallelogram is given by the formula base into height. And perimeter is given by the formula 2 into sum of adjacent sides. Okay. So this is about parallelogram. Now we'll look at rectangle. Over here a rectangle ABCD is shown. In rectangle, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Also, each of the interior angles measure to 90 degree. Okay. So if you look at this rectangle ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC, and AB is equal to CD and AD equal to BC. But an additional point for rectangle is in comparison to parallelogram is that each interior angle is equal to 90 degree. So angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D, that is equal to 90 degrees in a rectangle. Okay. In a rectangle, the diagonals are equal. So AC is equal to BD. Okay, and they bisect each other. The area of a rectangle is given by length into breadth, where length is one of the sides and breadth is the other side. The perimeter of rectangle is given by 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. Now we're going to look at square. In a square, all the sides are equal. Each of the interior angle is equal to 90 degree. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and the diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, so this is about a square. The area of a square is given by side square. So whatever the measure of side is, square of that will be the area. And the perimeter is given by 4 into side. Okay, so this is about square. Now we look at rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the four sides are equal. Okay, so all the sides are equal over here and all the other properties of parallelogram will hold true for rhombus. Okay, so area of a rhombus is given by base into height. Also the perimeter is given by 4 into side. An important point to note about rhombus is the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree in a rhombus. Okay. Now we look at trapezium. In a trapezium, a pair of sides is parallel and is not equal. Okay, so over here AB is parallel to CD and AB is not equal to CD. Okay. Area of a trapezium is given by half into sum of parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides. Okay. And the perimeter is given by sum of all four sides of the trapezium. Okay. This is about trapezium. Now we're going to look at cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral that can fit into a circle. Okay. Not every quadrilateral can fit into a circle. For a quadrilateral to fit into a circle, the opposite angles of the quadrilateral should be supplementary. What this means is the sum of the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Okay. So if you look at this quadrilateral ABCD, it is fitting into a circle. Okay. So opposite angles in this quadrilateral sum to 180 degrees. Okay. So if I look at angle DAB and angle DCB, these are opposite angles. So if I add them up, that should be equal to 180 degree. So angle DAB plus angle DCB is 180 degree. Similarly, angle ADC and angle ABC are also opposite angles of this quadrilateral. So if I add them, it should also be equal to 180 degree. So angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this is the property of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so this is all about quadrilaterals. Thanks a lot for watching this.